the difference between CIMA, ICAG, ACCA. Which one should I go for? It's not about which one should you go for. It's about what is your goal. Okay? It's about what is your goal. So CIMA is management accounting. Okay? So if you want to be a management accountant, right? Then you are going for CIMA UK. You want to be a management accountant. CIMA UK, right? That's the idea there. ICA and ACCA are the same things. Chartered accountants, okay? Chartered accountant generally. So CIMA, when you finish, you're going to get the designation CGMA, Chartered Global Management Accountant. That is the designation that you're going to get at the end of your name if you are done CGMA. So you are a Chartered Global Management Accountant. ICA, ACCA, you are a CA, which is a Chartered Accountant. All right. Now, the difference is that ACCA is a global certification. Okay. It's a global certification. ICAG is a jurisdictional certification, if I can put it that way for you. Because, for instance, if you're in Ghana, there are certain roles, certain responsibilities, certain positions that you can only do if you're a member of the ICAG. All right. But the ACCA is a global certification. Yeah, it's ACCA UK though, but it is recognized globally at the end of the day. And so most places around the world, when you go, yeah, the ACCA is going to be recognized. But again, wherever country you go, even if you have your ACCA or CGMA, there are certain positions, certain things you have to do that country's qualification. In Ghana, it is ICAG before you can handle those positions. Like you want to sign financial statements or prepare financial statements, audit financial statements. You have to be a member of the ICAG. So even if you have your ACCA, you are not qualified to do that in Ghana because you need to be a member of the ICAG, being licensed to be able to do that. So if you asked for difference, Patrick, this is what you must understand in respect of the CIMA and then the ICAG/ACCA in that particular case. Then you ask, which one should I go for? As I said, it depends on your goal. Know that CIMA, as I said, is a Chartered Global Management Accountant. So you become a management accountant. There are numerous job opportunities available for that. And ACCA, ICAG, the same thing, numerous job opportunities available for that. But CIMA is management accounting, right? So you're going to be diving deeper into things about management accounting, right? ACCA, ICAG, you're going to be diving into things about preparation of financial statements, auditing of financial statements, those kind of things, and some level of analysis of businesses and financial statements as well. So that's the distinction. Financial wise, CIMA, you will need to be making payment in pounds. So be mindful of that. The examination can be written online. CIMA is largely online from your home. So you can actually do it from your home and write the exam on the go. But you're going to be paying the fees in pounds. ACCA, same thing. You're going to be paying the fees in pounds because these are all UK designated things. With your qualification, you may get some exemptions. Then you proceed with the rest of the write-up. ICAG, that one, it's in Ghana here, so definitely you are paying in cedis. With your BSc admin, I don't know if is that business administration, I guess. So you may get exemption for level 1 and 2 papers in level 2. So you start from level 2, that means you write 4 papers in level 2 and then 4 papers in level 3, ICAG. There are 3 examination dates for the ICA. So if you're a serious student, at the end of the day, you can become a chartered accountant in 1 year under the ICAG. Now, the beauty about all of these qualifications is that if you do one and you want to get the other, you just apply, they give you exemption, then there are certain papers you have to write, boom. Then you get a qualification generally at the end of the day. So again, it depends on your goal. It depends on your finances. It depends on what you want to achieve generally at the end of the day. For most people, 99% of the time, I would say definitely you start with the ICAG. This is our own, this is our place. And that's also recognizable globally as well. So you start with the ICAG, it's in CDs, 3 examination diet. You can finish, become a chartered accountant in a year with your qualification. But let's say you are a lazy person a little bit, and I'm saying that casually, you can then do it within 2 years. You'll be a chartered accountant. Then after that, if you want to add the ACCA, it's easy to do. Add the CIMA, it's easy to do. So Patrick, that's what you must understand when we talk about ICAG, ACCA, and CIMA as well.